Audio Jungle.
While it uses a name from Ford's performance past, the F-150 Lightning is an all-new model for the Ford truck lineup for the 2023 model year. All-wheel drive is standard and the EV pickup is capable of towing up to 10,000 pounds. The only thing that's changed on the F-150 Lightning this year is its price, which has shot up by $12,000 for the entry-level Pro model. Like the truck's exterior, the F-150 Lightning's cabin is much the same as the gasoline-powered F-150 with a few key differences such as an extra-large infotainment display and a voluminous front-trunk cargo bay. A 12.0-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Ford's latest Sync 4 software is standard, but Lariat and Platinum models come with an even larger 15.0-inch display. Don't forget to subscribe, like and leave me a comment to tell me how you found the car.